guys, it's your girl Matilisa, and you know, and I'm with the one and only
Lemon Mausa.
Danko. Why you just skin some guys? And I'm with you don't be alien.
Oh,
Lara. In the building.
And I'm trying to go upon help one more. Phone getting in the jana, or shooting. Why? Mona wara jana luena. Atomancha phone, atomo o capture out ligeta. Ke dynamo. O mo check. Mona why o shoota for video o jana. Abaka mogare ya jana. O nyo go bona eng re sa itsebe. O nyo go bontsha eng ndonono. O nyo go bontsha mang gore wena bo jana le mang. It's going to backfire. Walebala or you are a family member. When I shoot a sex tape. Walebala or you are a community member. When I shoot a sex tape. Walebala or when you are a brother, you are a friend. When I shoot a sex tape. But when you are on our phone, it has timid. How many more videos are in there? And I'm sorry, he aga jana le munno mongwe. Ana le monna ke fault ya monna khala ikae mosadi a nyoko jana ibile ba mo shoota.
Hello everyone, Ganochisanoka and welcome to my channel. So that Matshidiso lady who is very married is the lead in the trending intimate video, let's call it a Maponapona movie, alongside international dancer and choreographer Limpopo Boy. The Maponapona movie that was apparently shot after hooking up at a Likompo event was shared via Limpopo Boy's own social media account, and it trended the entire Women's Day. Make it the entire Women's Day long weekend. Now while Limpopo Boy released a statement via social media describing the circulating video with very intimate content with very married Matshidiso as content that was distributed without consent, unfortunately that has not left his career as an international dancer and choreographer unscathed. He is starting to lose gigs. Limpopo Boy has been officially removed from Botswana's Creators Assembly 2026 lineup, with organizers looking for a replacement. He was set to earn 300,000 rands. So a little over $250,000 rands was lost just like that because they decided to film intimate bedroom activities. Couldn't they do their deeds without filming? Especially since the lady is married. By the way, this is just the beginning. Apparently Limpopo Boy is also facing scrutiny over his role working with children at Christian Progressive College. Limpopo Boy has been in partnership with Christian Progressive College for about 2 years. His responsibilities have been choreography, marketing, media training, and helping develop the learners' entertainment careers. So yeah, if Limpopo Boy by any chance did this intentionally to trend, it might just backfire and not get the Kim Kardashian effect where he gets elevated because of a Maponapona movie that he did. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.
Awu Matshidiso angakavume ukuthi ulele naye lo Limpopo Boy. Ngicabanga ukuthi nyalo ubusy nalo mjida ubusy uyamtshela ukuthi no. Hayi ivideo okay uyabona lapha singqunu. Bekuyi content. Ngumlalela lo mfana lo. Kanti why wena uthathele phansi? Why uzikhutha? Hayi man. Okay, bheka mina ubheke uLimpopo Boy. Wangithatha cheap man. Hayi man. No, usho ukuthi wena mina ngicheap ngaleyo ndlela. Acetha ukukwatisa. Ukukwatisa ngakukhulumisa. Yeah, sekumele kuxolise wena. Yeah, yabona. Orathatha le nto ayende ngawe. No, la ekhaya ngihlala ngisho ukuthi kube nevaseline, awufuni ukuba nevaseline. And then when I saw a panic, mawubona ivaseline ngicaba sikhole sikwendile because ngeke ngaba ne topic ye vaseline perhaps wow. Yebo. Angeke ngivume le gender. Ngeke ngivume. Aphika athi hayi mina nakhona kusise roomini lapha it's AI Joe. It's AI. Lento besiyenda via phone call. Not the AI and then sayena ubona nasi lapha room check le board akusiyo yami exactly yeah perhaps wow laba yabathi mina